So, ngayon kayo lahat ay tinawag para pumunta sa isang level. Sa Pilipinas, uso-uso yun ha. Uy, wala, iba ng level mo ngayon. Narinig niya, parang, uy, ibang level ka na, SFC ka na. No, God calls you to another level which is higher than, see? And then probably you will be happy. You'll be happy. It's not easy. It's not easy attending meetings, lalo lang tayo na simbahan. Diyos ko po, traffic sa lahat. It's not easy putting up with people around you. But at least here you find a support group na hindi ka nag-iisa. Mahirap mag-isa. Kaya lalo na yung mga kaibigan ko doon sa opisina, anong gagawin ko? Di ba? May mga tinatanong ka sa kanila. Dadali ko ba ito? Ilalaglag ko. Sasabihin naman kaibigan mo, ilalaglag ko yan. Meron tayong dito paglangon dito. Narinig yung support group at alam ko hindi nakakabot sa gano'n. Siguro ang kapanagan, kung hindi naninigaw sa akin vision ko, may nagkagusto sa akin yung Lebanese na babae. Wow, now we have a support group that we can express what we have because we find in the community brothers and sisters who are going through the same. The pain of being alone, the heartaches, and it's not easy. Even if you're living with your families, still you have a life to live. Sometimes you cannot connect with people who are close to you. So you have here a family. You have here a community. You have here a support group, which is supported by the church. See? Anumang grupong hindi nakadikit sa simbahan, hindi tatagal yan. I tell you. 100%, 101%. Ang mga tao hindi sumusunod sa simbahan, ay hindi tatagal yan. Ngayon, meron, pero bukas makalawa. Maubos yan, mawawala. Why? Sapagkat inatasan ng Diyos ang simbahan upang pangalagaan ang kanyang bayan. Ngayon kung pilit na iniiwalay at pilit na hindi sumusunod, ano magagawa ko? So, you rest assured that you are with the church here in Qatar. And ano man ang mangyari, siyempre sumanutan ako namumuno sa simbahan dito. Ano man ang mangyari, pag may lumapit sa akin, hindi ko pwedeng hindi tulungan. Kahit masama sa loob. No. Pero kailangan tulungan. Dahil alam ko trabaho ko yun. Trabaho ko. But, according sa mga batas, atas ng ating simbahan. And so, I welcome you on behalf of the Catholic Church of Our Lady of the Rosary. And I hope you have a wonderful journey. It's a journey which you are taking today, which hopefully will end when? A few months from now. And then you decide, gusto ko bang sumali dito o hindi. At kayo naman mga staff, huwag nyo naman ipakita mo ba kayo palagi. Ipakita nyo sa kanila yung totoo. Kasi, minsan pag ganito, di ba? Uy, ito kain ka, susumuha ko kayo. So, over kayo, ha? I mean, show them what your community is all about. It's not only about fun, there are also tears. And probably some of you might be suffering too. So this is a community of real people. And the best thing is, this is a community which can admit that we are sinners. Correct ba ako ba? Yes. Ang isang community na nagmamalinis, hindi yun community. Nananaginip yun. Ha? So ito ay community na mga makasalanan. Ngayon, sumutotal kung gagamitin mo ang logic at gagawa ka ng syllogism at gagawa ka ng conclusion. Sumutotal, yung pura paroko, katulad thing is, we are together and we are struggling. We are hoping that God will have mercy on us. So, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Hindi na ako magtatagal.
Maraming salamat po ulit, Father Tom, for